Testing-TUT673PV solar MPPT meter. Start with a close-up shot of the meter. Play light. Voice hello everyone. Welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you the UT673PV solar MPPT meter and how to use it. Show the front display clearly. This smart meter is used to measure the voltage, current, and power of your solar panels. Zoom in on the screen readings. Let's look at the display. Pmax, maximum power, here it shows 215.1 watts. VMP, voltage at maximum power, which is 47.8 volts. IMP, current at maximum power, 4.5 amps. VOC, open circuit voltage, 48.9 volts. Short circuit current, 10.1 amps. Show the buttons, auto, manual, hold. Below the screen, you can see buttons for auto and manual modes. You can test automatically or manually with these. Show the bottom warning. At the bottom, it shows the maximum voltage limit up to 60 volts DC. Optional, show connecting with a real solar panel. You can connect this meter directly to your solar panel to check real-time output easily. It's very useful for MPPT testing and solar maintenance. Ending scene. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.